Hello, 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 ha! It's Elizabeth, and today I'm back with a DIY video. We're going to be doing an at-home facial, because right now it's the perfect time to pamper yourself and relax. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make yourself a little treat for your skin. So grab your cucumber slices and let's get started. You'll need 3 ingredients you'll already have at home: baking soda, lemon juice, and honey. Grab a small bowl to use to mix all your ingredients together. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use a spatula to get all of the honey into your mixture, and then use that same little spatula to stir the whole mixture all together. When you're done mixing, it'll be drippy like this, so pop it into the fridge while you prep your skin. We're going to start by simply cleansing our skin. Make sure to start with warm water, cleanse. I used the Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser by the brand Philosophy, and then rinse with cool water. Then gently pat your skin all dry with a towel. Be gentle with your skin and never rub. Now for our at-home facial steam, fill your sink up with hot water. Set a timer for 2 minutes and grab a towel. You're going to use this towel to trap the heat and moisture of the water. Stick your head under the towel and allow your pores to be open and cleansed through this treatment. When the timer rings, you're done with your facial steaming treatment and it's time to exfoliate. I'm using this DIY sugar scrub I made in a video a while ago, and I'll link that down below. Start by getting your face wet with some warm water, and then you're going to want to grab a little bit of your exfoliator onto your fingers and use this to rub all over your face so that you can really get all of any dead skin cells and other dirt out of your pores. Then rinse this off really well and pat your face dry with a towel again. Now that your skin is prepped and your face mask has had some time to firm up a little bit in the fridge, it is time to apply it. Use your little spatula to smooth on a very thin layer of your face mask on. Be careful to avoid your eye bags and not to make your layer too thick so that it doesn't drip off your face. While you leave your face mask on, feel free to relax, grab yourself some cucumber slices if you wish, and just chill out. After 15 minutes have passed, you can go ahead and wash off your face mask and then pat your skin dry with a towel. Before I go in with my moisturizer, I'm going to apply an eye cream. I am using the Purity Made Simple Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. All of the product I'm using will be linked in the description down below. To apply your eye cream, you're just going to want to use your ring fingers to pat it onto your eye area very gently. Now I'm going in with this Josie Maran 100% Argan Oil Moisturizing Oil, and I'm just patting it into my skin. And this is just adding a little extra moisture to my dry skin. And don't forget to get your neck as well. And lastly, I have this Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, and this is just such a great creamy moisturizer that I love putting on top of the oil just to finish off our facial, and now your skin will be feeling so refreshed and just really great. And that is the end of your DIY home facial. Find behind the scenes for this video on my Instagram. I will be posting pictures of how I filmed it on my stories. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like skincare videos, give it some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on my channel in the future. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to join the fun and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video. I'll see you then. Mahalo!